Yeah, that's fantastic.
Look what I took along. I don't think I will need this.
Your night never know.
I'm not sure. That's bamboo,
Okay.
and that looks like that's
Some of it says here bone.
sugar set. Yes, I will check that out. So
Yeah.
this is really perfect, and then it's really quite pointy. So what's so amazing with this is really you take a paper and then you go just over this and you fold it.
Fold it.
And
Oh,
it's perfect.
And of course it doesn't last forever.
No, but like
Yeah.
it lasts pretty
Okay.
much true. And then let me see if I can. We don't know what that is. Is this? Looks like it might be Chinese. Huh? Let's see. Chinese camera. What does it say? Against liquids.
Funny story is that Kai asked me, or you asked me to bring it, and I had no idea what this might be.
Right,
What
yeah.
it means, right?
And a day after, I met Astrid in Essen,
Ah,
and she said, "Well, what, when are you going?"
right.
And I said, "Well, and I have to bring
A
Well,
false
a
one.
Feldspine." And I
yeah.
said, I wouldn't know what it is. And she explained me what it was, and so
Ah.
she knew
She
exactly,
knew.
and she knew exactly what it
Ah.
was. Yeah.
Great. That's great.
I mean, in great that you guys met
Yeah,
and
that's
you see together.